Hi all of you, a very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech in Maths. My name is Kumar Das. इस वीडियो में JMN Limits PYQ question 2024. One of the question I am going to solve here. The question asked in 4th April 2024 shift 1 का ये question है. So here the limit is what? Limit x tends to 1 है. 5x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 and minus x plus 5 whole to the power 1 by 3 divided by what? 2x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus x plus 4 whole to the power 1 by 2 equal to m root 5 divided by n in bracket 2n plus 2n whole to the power 2 by 3. GCD of mn is 1, then we have to find 8m plus 12n. So just I start with here solving the question of this one. So ये क्या है हमारा 5x plus 1 है, 5x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 है, minus what x plus 5 है, x plus 5 and whole to the power what 1 by 3. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है हमारा, डिनोमिनेटर में है 2x प्लस थ्री, 2x प्लस थ्री होल टू द पावर 1 by 2 और माइनस वट x प्लस 4 होल टू द पावर 1 by 2. If we substitute this value in this limit, right, in this expression here, so we get here what, 5 plus 1 6 to the power 1 by 3, here also 1 plus 5 that is 6 to the power 1 by 3. So difference is there, so 0 and denominator वाले पार्ट में अगर पुट करूँ तो ये देख क्या हो जाएगा, 2 plus 3 5 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 4 that is 5 to the power 1 by 2. This becomes also 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 फॉर्म होने पे हम क्या अप्लाई कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे, लॉपिटल रूल, राइट. सो लॉपिटल रूल में क्या होता है कि आप डिफ्रेंशिएट करो न्यूमरेटर को भी एंड डिनोमिनेटर को भी सेपरेटली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स हियर. सो डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे ये वाला डी बाई डी एक्स क्या है हमारा 5x प्लस 1. सो आई राइट हियर द 5x प्लस 1 होल टू द पावर क्या है 1 by 3 minus what, x plus 5 whole to the power 1 by 3, right, divided by denominator वाला पार्ट भी हमारा डिफरेंशिएट होगा, right, that is what 2x plus 3 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus x plus 4 whole to the power 1 by 2. So on differentiating this, what do we get here? So we can write here the limit x tends to what, limit x tends to 1. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट हमारा, तो न्यूमरेटर वाला पार्ट में हम डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं तो दैट इज 5x प्लस 1 होल टू द पावर 1 by 3 है. सो डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे क्या होगा 1 by 3 एंड 5x प्लस 1 होल टू द पावर 1 by 3 minus 1 that is minus 2 by 3, right. So that will become what, minus 2 by 3, okay, minus 2 by 3 and chain rule. So 5x plus 1 का यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 5, then minus what 1 by 3 and ये क्या हमारा x plus 5 है, x plus 5 and whole to the power 1 by 3 minus 1, so minus 2 by 3 and x plus 1 को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे 1. डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट जो है उसको मैं डिफ्रेंशिएट करूँ तो सो दैट इज़ व्हाट 1 by 2 और ये क्या है हमारा 2x plus 3 एंड होल टू द पावर क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 1 by 2 एंड 2x plus 3 को डिफ्रेंशिएट करूँगा तो दैट बिकम्स 2 माइनस व्हाट 1 by 2 एंड x plus 4 है यहाँ पे, x plus 4 की पावर क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 1 by 2, राइट, माइनस 1 by 2 एंड x plus 4 को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने पे 1. Now what I can do here is, if we substitute here the value, now this will not become the 0 by 0 form. Okay, so this is what 1 by 3 and 5 plus 1 that is 6 to the power what, minus 2 by 3. So write this minus 2 by 3 into what 5. Okay, minus 1 by 3 ये भी क्या हो गया 6 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 2, यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा ये 5 to the power what, 5 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 2. Okay, this is minus 1 by 2 and 5 to the power what, minus 1 by 2. So I can take here common 1 by 3 and 6 to the power minus 2 by 3 कॉमन ले लिया तो ये क्या बचा 5 minus 1. डिनोमिनेटर में से हम यहाँ कॉमन ले सकते हैं 1 by 2 and 5 to the power what, 5 to the power minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and so this is what 2 minus 1 here, 2 minus 1. So we get here the result as what, ये result हमारा क्या हो गया, ये हो गया 4 by 3. So I write here the 4 by 3, right, and 6 to the power what, minus 2 by 3 and denominator में क्या हो गया, ये हो गया हमारा 1 by 2 and 5 to the power what, 5 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now I can write this 2 will multiply to 4, so 8 by 3. Now I can write this as 5 to the power 1 by 2 and this is what 6 to the power 2 by 3, 6 to the power 2 by 3. Now this result can be written as 8 and this is what root 5 and divided by what, root 5 divided by this is 3 and for 6 we can write here the 3 into 2 to the power 2 by 3. Now we can compare this result. So the result that I can write here is 8 root 5 divided by what, 3 and here 3 into 2 whole to the power what, whole to the power 2 by 3. So I write here the 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3, and this result is equal to what, if you see the here the result is m root 5. So I write a m root 5, okay. So this is your m root 5 divided by n, and this is what, n into what, n into 2, right, n into, this is what, n into 2. So 2n we can basically write 2n, right, 2n. So we need to compare here, right, to the power what, 2 by 3, right, 2 by 3. So if you compare this, so we get m equal to what, 8, or n equal to what, 3, n equal to what, 3. If you compare, so n equal to 3. Now GCD, you can see here GCD, the greatest common divisor, that is HCF, where you can say 8 and 3 is 1. Yes, satisfied. So we need to find here what, 8m plus 12n, 8m plus 12n. So 8m plus 12n. So 8m, 8 into 8, right, plus 12n, 12 into 3. So this is 64 plus 36. So if we add this two, so we get what, 100. So answer for this question is 100. Hope you will be clear with this solution. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye. Take care.